What's poppin', gamers? Today I'm gonna show you how to make a London fog. If you don't know what that is, it's basically steamed milk and black tea. So you get your tea, then you get your milk, and then you do the quirky transition where you snap your fingers and you make it do what it's supposed to. Gonna pour probably a little over 8 ounces. Pour that bad puppy in. Turn the heat on low, because if you turn it on high, you're gonna get that nasty milk scum crap on the edges. And then you grab your black tea, and then you kind of just put it in there, you know. There you go. Like we're 80% of the way done with making it. That's how impressive I am. Oh shit, I dropped that. Now some of you absolute heathens would probably be all like, oh, just put the milk in the microwave. No, that's a terrible and just awful idea, you absolute glue sniffer. No, you want to heat it up in a pan, or if you have an actual milk steamer for like lattes and stuff. Heating it up in a pan is fine though, as long as you do it slowly and you do it right. Also, if you put it in the microwave, you know, your tea bag isn't going to have as much time to brew, so it's going to end up cooling off anyway, and then you're just going to have to reheat it, so it really is just kind of annoying. Whereas if you do the low and slow kind of method, by the time you're done with it, your stuff's already steeped, right? So smarter, not faster, right? That's how we're doing this. Because you may think it's faster to put it in a microwave, but you're a big old dum-dum if you think that. Last ingredient we're gonna need is some flavoring, a flavored syrup. Usually you put vanilla or lavender syrup in a London fog. I mean, I guess you can get all weird with it and put like some of this garbage in, but you know. Alright, well, the fire alarm is going off, but anyway, make sure you're stirring your stuff so that the milk doesn't like get that nasty weird like skin layer on the top. And then when you're ready to mix it all together, make sure to grab your favorite mug and just go to town. You don't need a whole lot of syrup, just a tiny bit. Like that's probably it for the whole however many ounces this is, probably eight and something. Then you're gonna put your tea bag in, and then you're gonna just pour, and there you go. That's like a basic London fog. You can tell that the milk has gotten a bit of a darker color now because of the steeping of the tea. But I guess it's all... The fire alarm is very distracting. Anyway, that's it. See you in the next one of whatever the hell I'm doing with my life. And, yeah, ta-ta for now.